Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about multiple inheritance in Python. Multiple inheritance, a feature in Python enabling a class to inherit attributes and methods from multiple parent classes. It facilitates the formation of intricate class hierarchies, resulting in more versatile and modular code structures. For instance, imagine a scenario where a class bird inherits features from classes flyable and egg layer, allowing it to possess both flying abilities and the capability to lay eggs. This exemplifies how multiple inheritance in Python can be leveraged to model diverse and complex relationships within a program. In Python, classes can achieve multiple inheritance by specifying more than one parent class separated by commas inside parentheses after the child class name. For instance, a child class named child can inherit from two parent classes, parent1 and parent2, using the syntax class child, parent1, parent2. This feature enables the child class to access and utilize attributes and methods from both parent classes, allowing for code reusability and flexibility in organizing the class hierarchy. The method resolution order, MRO, in Python establishes the sequence for resolving methods in cases of multiple inheritance. This is crucial for determining the order in which methods are executed. The MRO method serves the purpose of providing a list that represents the class hierarchy. This list corresponds to the search path that Python follows when looking for and executing methods. For a hypothetical situation where a subclass inherits from multiple parent classes, Python's MRO algorithm helps prevent ambiguities and ensures an unambiguous method search path. Ultimately, this systematic approach assists in maintaining program logic and predictability when dealing with complex class structures. In the provided Python code snippet, there are three classes: vehicle, radio, and car. The vehicle class has a method drive, and the radio class has a method play music. The car class inherits from both vehicle and radio, forming a multiple inheritance. By creating an instance of the car class, myCar, we can access both the drive method from the vehicle class and the play music method from the radio class using mycar.drive and mycar.playmusic respectively. This code structure enables a scenario where a car object can exhibit behaviors of both a vehicle, such as driving, and a radio, such as playing music, showcasing the concept of multiple inheritance in object-oriented programming. Imagine you have a family tree where a child inherits traits and characteristics from both their mother and father. Similarly, in Python, multiple inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from more than one parent class. Just like how a child can have a mix of traits from both parents, a class in Python with multiple inheritance can access and use methods and attributes from all parent classes. This allows for greater flexibility and the ability to combine different functionalities from multiple sources into one class. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In the Python code provided, we demonstrate the concept of multiple inheritance. We start by defining two parent classes, mother and father, each with its own attributes and methods. The mother class has an attribute mother trait set to kind-hearted and a method mother method, while the father class has an attribute father trait set to intelligent and a method father method. Next, we create a child class called child that inherits from both mother and father classes. In the child class, we initialize the traits inherited from the parent classes and define a new attribute child_trait set to creative. The child class also has a method child method, which combines traits from both parent classes and the child class. When we instantiate an object of the child class and call the methods, we can observe the following output. Inherited method from mother class. This shows that the child object can access the method defined in the mother class. Inherited method from father class. This shows that the child object can access the method defined in the father class. Child class method combining traits from mother and father. This method in the child class combines traits from both parent classes and displays them. Child has traits: kind-hearted, intelligent, creative. This output displays the combined traits from the parent classes and the child class. One real-world example where multiple inheritance can be useful is in a scenario where a class needs to inherit behaviors or attributes from multiple sources. For instance, in a software system for managing employees, a manager class can inherit traits from both an employee class and a leader class. Combining functionalities related to general employee management and leadership responsibilities. One real-world example where multiple inheritance in Python can be useful is in a GUI, graphical user interface framework. For instance, consider a GUI framework where you have a class for a button component, a class for a label component, and a class for a text box component. These classes can inherit from different parent classes that provide common functionality, such as event handling, styling, or positioning. By using multiple inheritance, you can create a class for a custom button that inherits from both the button class and the label class to combine the features of both components. Another example is in the development of a game engine. In a game engine, you may have classes for different game objects, such as characters, weapons, and obstacles. Each of these classes can inherit from different parent classes that provide functionalities like movement, collision detection, and rendering. By utilizing multiple inheritance, you can create a custom game object class that combines the functionalities of various parent classes to create unique and complex game elements. In conclusion, multiple inheritance in Python provides flexibility and allows for the creation of complex and versatile classes by combining features from multiple parent classes. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.